Taraweeh is not a joke. Some might argue, well, it's not farad. I know it's not farad, but it is so highly recommended, you should enjoy it. The term Taraweeh itself depicts a beautiful rest. I'm going to come and enjoy myself. I'm going to achieve raha. I'm going to relax with Taraweeh. Many of us, we hear the Imam reciting and we say, this guy is very slow. This guy is very slow. By the time he finishes, it's going to be suhoor. Wallahi, it's not about slow or fast. It's about a correct, beautiful recital. Beautiful recital. Enjoy it. It's the word of Allah. If the word of Allah is irritating you, and then you have the beat that makes you shake, that does not irritate you, then you have a problem. You have a major problem. Do you know why? The wrong things are irritating you. Subhanallah.